All right, hey, what's going on, Freedom All right, so what my cell phone taught me about manifestation, what my cell phone taught me about manifestation is conviction is power. Conviction is power. That's the principle. You must be more convicted than learning the how, um, and how you overcome this understanding of just the how. Meaning who, what, when, where, and why. You try to figure out every technical know-how. Is you must imagine the main actions of the transaction. Um, or sometimes not that either. You just convicted about that. But let's say you want 5 sales um in your business. You just keep imagining, especially if you can imagine how much it costs or how much the sale is, what how much the sale is, and you telling let's say you can imagine telling somebody you made 5 sales, or telling somebody telling somebody telling somebody about your business, and they close immediately, or whatever the case may be. Just imagining the end in mind. How is it important? Like I declared and decree when I was at my parents' house when I was broke. Every single month, and even today, every single month my bills is paid. My cell phone bill is paid by social media sales. Um, and I'm not gonna lie to you, every single month without fail, it is paid. With money, the conviction must be strong, or anything in life really. I don't. That doesn't mean yell at the top of your lungs, but you must be strongly emotionally convicted about it coming to pass. How it comes isn't your business. The vessel used to give it to you isn't your business. Um, the situation that came up that the situation that came about the situation that came about to get you the money isn't important either. Um, it's just that it's gonna get paid, and you must be convicted in that period. So comment 1111 for your manifestation guide. Peace.